All right, here's the 73 Stepside. Let's check it out. First, I'll start it up. Take a look at the inside. Very clean. Headliner's nice. Seats are nice. Brand new bed, red oak. The inside. I'll point the camera to the back, you might hear it better as I rev it a little. All the gauges work. Let me close it up here. Engine compartment, new master cylinder, new shocks you can see down there. Rebuilt 350 motor, all new hoses, belts. You can see the brand new evaporator hardware that's in there. Brand new battery, headers, MagnaFlow exhaust. Very clean. Everything works. The hood was recently painted. Rest of the paint is good, not perfect. Here's that bed we redid with all the wood. Can't get underneath it right now. We got the 57 Bel Air on the rack, so I can't get a video underneath. But we went through the underside, cleaned it, really good, wire brushed everything, painted it with epoxy paint. And there it is. New brakes all the way around, new rotors up front. There is your 3-minute video.